In Nyazura, water did not just run out. Life stopped. When rains fail and shallow wells collapse, farming becomes survival. Without a reliable water source, the next season would be worse. That is when Watpac borehole stepped in. From survey to drilling, from solar installation to final testing, done right the first time. Today, this farm has water. Tomorrow, it has a future. Reliable water. Solar-powered, built to last. Call Watpac Borehole today and get a free site assessment.